बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी। मैं अपनी एक और नई वीडियो के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर हूँ। इस वीडियो में जो जॉब शेयर करूँगी वो है गवर्नमेंट ऑफ पाकिस्तान की डॉन संडे जनवरी 21, 2024 गवर्नमेंट ऑफ सिंध इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ चाइल्ड हेल्थ एंड न्यू नेटोलॉजी करियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ सिंध इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ चाइल्ड हेल्थ and new neonatology, a project of Government of Sindh established under the SICHN Act 2018, requires services of self-motivated and enthusiastic individuals having domicile preferably of Sindh province for the following positions purely on a 1-year contract extendable on satisfactory performance at Children Hospital Sakhar. Serial number 1 position Assistant Professor General Pediatrics and Neonatology eligibility as per the criteria of PMNDC for Assistant Professor and preferably second fellowship in required subspecialty preferably with 3 years of experience in a reputed teaching hospital. Number of post 4 required 30 to 60 years age होनी चाहिए. Salary 3 lakh. Number 2 pathologist eligibility qualification FCPS pathology experience candidate should have 5 years and post qualifying experience in the same capacity in a reputable teaching hospital. Number of post 1 age 30 to 60 years और salary 3 lakh. Number 3 assistant professor radiology eligibility as per the criteria of PMNDC for assistant professor and preferably with 3 years of experience in a reputed teaching hospital. Number of post 1 age 30 to 60 years, salary rupees 3 lakhs. 4 senior registrar general pediatrics qualification FCPS pediatrics experience preferably with 2 years and post qualifying experience in the same capacity in the reputable teaching hospital. Number of post 4 required 35 to 50 years age rupees 2 lakh salary. 4 senior 4 है कि 5 senior registrar of qualification FCPS radiology experience preferably with 2 years post qualifying experience in the same capacity in a reputable teaching hospital. Number of post 1 or required age 35 to 55 years, salary rupees 2 lakh. 6 registrar MBBS with 1 year house job with preference MCPS/DCH or equivalent qualifications or FCPS/MD or equivalent trained ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ IMM clear और FCPS/MD or equivalent trained IMM not cleared. Number of post 14 age 28 to 55 years, salary rupees 1,50,000. 7 medical officer eligibility MBBS with 1 year house job and preferably 1 to 5 years experience of working in pediatrics. Number of post 14 age 26 to 55 years, rupees 1,05,000. अच्छा जी. 8 OPD services manager qualification MBA/MPA or equivalent from HEC recognized university. Experience working experience of 5 years in a hospital with 2 years of experience on a leading position in managing OPD services and general administration or operations. Number of position 1 age 30 to 55 years, rupees 1,50,000 salary है. 9 है head nurse qualification MSCN/BSCN with diploma in intensive care with valid PNC registration experience. Working experience ब्रैकेट में लिखा है preferably in pediatrics of at least 6 years in a reputed hospital with 4 years of experience on a same capacity. Number of post 1 required 26 to 55 years, salary rupees 1 lakh. Number 10 staff nurse qualification BSCN/diploma in nursing with preferably with diploma in intensive care with valid PNC registration experience. Working experience ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है preferably in pediatrics of at least 2 years on the same capacity. Number of post 60 age 20 to 55 years, rupees 55,000 salary. अच्छा, नंबर 11 है एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव ऑफिसर। एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव ऑफिसर क्वालिफिकेशन मास्टर/ग्रेजुएट बिजनेस पब्लिक एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन इकोनॉमिक्स हेल्थ मैनेजमेंट और इक्विवेलेंट क्वालिफिकेशंस from HEC recognized university experience, working experience of at least 2 years preferably in a hospital in operation/general administration। अच्छा, नंबर ऑफ पोस्ट हैं 10 और एज लिमिट 22 से लेकर 55 साल तक और ₹50,000 सैलरी किसकी है? एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव ऑफिसर की। नंबर 12 फार्मासिस्ट की क्वालिफिकेशन फॉर्म डी फ्रॉम HEC recognized university with valid PC license experience, preferably working experience of at least 1 to 2 years in a reputed hospital on a same capacity in pediatrics setup। number of post 8, एज 22 से लेकर 55 साल तक और ₹50,000 50,000 सैलरी होगी फार्मासिस्ट की। नंबर 13 ट्रेनी फार्मासिस्ट क्वालिफिकेशन फॉर्म डी फ्रॉम HEC recognized university with valid PC license 10। नंबर ऑफ पोस्ट्स हैं 10, एज लिमिट 22 to 55 years, ₹40,000 सैलरी। नंबर 14 रिसेप्शनिस्ट क्वालिफिकेशन ग्रेजुएट फ्रॉम HEC recognized university experience, working experience of 1 year in hospital in front desk/reception। नंबर ऑफ पोस्ट्स हैं 8 और एज उनकी होगी 22 to 55 years और रिसेप्शनिस्ट की सैलरी होगी 40,000। अच्छा, उसके बाद 15 होगी ऑक्सिलियरी नर्स क्वालिफिकेशन मैट्रिक विद 6 months डिप्लोमा ऑफ NA/इंटरमीडिएट ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है प्री मेडिकल डिप्लोमा ऑफ पीड्स टेक्नीशियन। अच्छा जी, नंबर ऑफ पोस्ट है 80, एज 18 साल से लेकर 55 साल तक और सैलरी ₹35,000। नंबर 16 पोर्टल क्वालिफिकेशन मैट्रिकुलेशन और नंबर ऑफ पोस्ट हैं 14, 18 से लेकर 55 साल तक, 18 to 55 years एज और ₹34,000 सैलरी। जनरल गाइडलाइंस टू अप्लाई एट SICHN offers attractive salary packages, excellent training opportunities and work environment, and also opportunity for being inducted in postgraduate training programs। Candidates already working at SICHN or in government autonomous bodies/semi-autonomous bodies should forward their applications through proper channel along with departmental NOC only। Post qualification experience will be considered as required experience। Candidates having experience of working in pediatrics will be preferred, not EA/DA will be admissible for interview। SICHN is an equal opportunity employer and encourage females to apply for position for which they meet the job requirement। The decision of the selection board could not be challenged in any court of law। Only shortlisted candidates will be called for test/interview and will have to appear for the interview along with the original documents। In case a number of applicants is more than the sufficient, a written test would be conducted। Only online applications will be entertained। For details of the above mentioned vacancies and to apply, please visit our website www.sichn.com.pk/careers by 2nd February 2024। Human Resources Department, Sindh Institute of Child Health and Neonatology, Government of Sindh। First floor, plot number 354 and 355 JM near People's Secretariat, Chaurangi, Jamshed Quarters, Karachi 74800। टेलीफोन नंबर 02199333101। 102 भी है और 103 भी है। 02199333101 भी है, 102 भी है और 103 भी है। ईमेल HR@sichn.com.pk। hr@sichn.com.pk, वेब www.sichn.com.pk। तो जी ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो। अगर आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।